Lily, look! This book has a magical kingdom inside. Wow, Tommy! Let's read this fairy tale together.
About a beautiful princess, a powerful curse, and a brave hero.
Look, Tommy! The pictures are moving. Let's see what happens.
Long ago, in the magical kingdom of Solaria, a princess named Aurelia was born. But a dark secret was waiting for her. Her name was Aurelia. Everyone believed her smile could bring warmth even during the coldest winter. To celebrate the birth of the royal child, the king and queen invited the 7 guardians of the realm.
I bless the princess with beauty like the first bloom of spring. May her voice be sweeter than the of a nightingale. May she have kindness that can heal every broken heart. May wisdom guide her beyond her years.
May courage always live inside her heart. May she walk with grace throughout her life. But before the final blessing, darkness arrived.
You celebrate while forgetting me? On her 16th birthday, Princess Aurelia will touch a golden spindle, and she will fall forever! I cannot remove the curse, but I can change its power. She will not die. She will sleep for 100 years until a brave heart breaks the spell.
To protect his daughter, the king removed every spindle from the kingdom. "16 years passed. Aurelia grew into a joyful and curious young woman. While exploring a forgotten part of the castle, Aurelia discovered a place no one had visited for many years.
I finally found it. Yo! I wonder what secrets lie behind this door.
Come closer, child. Would you like to try? Go on, child. Touch the golden thread. It's quite magical. The ancient curse had awakened.
Solaria became a legend. A kingdom trapped in endless sleep.
Then came Prince Leo, a brave knight with a gentle heart.
I don't need strength. I need hope.
Leo finally reached the highest tower, where Princess Aurelia slept peacefully under the ancient enchantment. The ancient prophecy had finally come true. From that day forward, Solaria lived in peace, guided by courage, kindness, and love.
That was an amazing story! I learned that kindness and courage can break any curse.
And remember, every magical story teaches us something special.